Well, online voter registration appears off the table again for South Dakota. This despite 41 other states providing the service. State House reporter Austin Goss is at the state capitol and explains why the bill didn't pass out of the committee.
The Senate State Affairs Committee significantly altered a bill that would have brought online voter registration to the Rushmore state. The committee took testimony from college students, Native Americans, retirees, and people with disabilities in favor of online voter registration. They took no testimony against the bill. Despite that, committee members watered it down anyway.
I don't think there's any questions about the fact that we have fair elections in South Dakota. I don't think there's any real question about the fact that we've had testimony on this bill at other times, not this session, that there isn't any real, we haven't had any questions of voter fraud.
Senator Boland's amendment made it so that you could only change your address online, not register to vote.
I urge the committee to oppose this amendment. This amendment completely guts this bill. We all know it. Everybody out there knows it. Everybody on the screen knows it. Let's vote on the bill that the Republican Secretary of State brought before us.
Members of the committee voted 6-3 in favor of Boland's amendment. Republican Secretary of State Steve Barnett, who supported the original bill, said although the amended bill was a step, the original bill had plenty of safeguards in place to prevent any sort of fraudulent activity. Registering online would require a Social Security card and ID, versus only one of those in person.
We feel that having to have a valid driver's license or valid non-driver ID card issued in the state of South Dakota and your Social Security number and date of birth, and cross-referencing with those three state agencies, Department of Health, Vital Records, UJS, and Department of Public Safety and the Social Security Administration. We feel those are appropriate and reasonable safeguards.
Even if this bill is passed into law, South Dakota would remain only one of 9 states in the country that does not have online voter registration. In Pierre, I'm Austin Goss.
The number of